The SimPure Y7 UV reverse osmosis system is a state-of-the-art water filtration and purification system designed to provide you with the highest quality drinking water. It combines multiple filtration stages and utilizes UV disinfection technology to remove contaminants and ensure your water is clean, pure, and safe to drink. Imagine, for a moment, a world where your home becomes a sanctuary, a place where you can truly thrive. With SimPure Water Filter, this vision becomes a reality. SimPure converts your tap water or well water into pure and healthy drinking water by removing 99.99% of the 1,000 or more contaminants, including viruses, bacteria, chemicals, heavy metals, lead, arsenic, chlorine, TDS, fluoride, nitrates or nitrites, plus much more. Say goodbye to the hidden dangers of tap water and eliminate the need to purchase bottled water for your home. SimPure Water Filter is more than just a filtration system. It's a catalyst for positive change. Removing impurities, harmful contaminants, and chlorine from your water, it elevates your drinking experience to new heights. No installation is required. Plug in and you'll have purified water right away. One full set of quick-changing twist and seal filters come included it. Get rid of the troubles caused by complicated installation and filter replacement. Compared to traditional undersink filtration, this water filter is free from water source and space constraints. This way you can place and move the SimPure water purifier anywhere with a power supply available. SimPure is perfect for home, kitchen, office, camping, outdoor RVing, etc. But SimPure's impact extends beyond drinking water. It enhances every aspect of your home life. From cooking delicious meals with fresh, clean water to nourishing your plants for a vibrant garden, SimPure becomes an indispensable partner in your daily routine. So, homeowners, dare to dream of a home filled with pure, revitalizing water. Experience the inspiration and joy that SimPure Water Filter brings to your life. Together, let's embrace a future where every sip quenches more than just thirst, it nourishes your soul. The magic lies in SimPure's cutting-edge filtration technology. As water passes through multiple layers of high-performance filters, impurities and harmful substances are removed, ensuring that what reaches your glass is nothing short of perfection.